2016 Chevy Camaro V6. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it got secondary converters right there. Then we put in an X-pipe, MagnaFlow MAGNAPACKS, and he had it straight piped out the back somewhere else. All right there and right there. There's his original tips. You want those MagnaPacks, you'll see the link in the description below on how to get them. There it is right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. Sounds a lot nicer and deeper than before. MagnaFlow gives it a really nice deep tone.
Like a Hellcat.